Alright guys, in this video, we're putting the iPhone 17 Pro head-to-head with last year's iPhone 16 Pro. And specifically, we're gonna see how these cameras stack up. I'll be testing everything: video quality, ultra-wide shots, zoom, and night mode. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 17 Pro comes with three 48-megapixel cameras on the back. The 16 Pro, on the other hand, has two 48-megapixel lenses, a main and an ultra-wide, plus a 12-megapixel telephoto. This video is recorded from the main camera in 4K at 60 frames per second. Both phones look good, but pay attention to the details, like the textures and the sharpness. The 17 Pro definitely pulls ahead with that extra crispness. Here's the ultra-wide video from the iPhone 17 Pro, recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. Okay, now for the zoom test. The 17 Pro is rocking a 48-megapixel telephoto with 4x optical zoom, while the 16 Pro has a 12-megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom. The 16 Pro can technically zoom a bit further, but honestly, the detail on the 17 Pro is where it really shines. Here's the ultra-wide again, but this time I'm just walking around. Both phones are doing a solid job with stabilization. The iPhone 17 Pro, though, has a slightly warmer tone and feels more natural, whereas the 16 Pro leans a little cooler. Depends on your preference, but I'm liking the vibe from the 17 Pro here. Alright, now let's move to nighttime. Both are shooting at 4K at 60 frames per second. The 17 Pro is noticeably brighter, colors stay intact, and the details don't get lost. The 16 Pro isn't bad, but you can definitely see it struggles more in darker spots. Here's the optical zoom test at night. And finally, some photo samples. Daylight, low light, night mode, you get the full range. The 17 Pro consistently brings out more clarity and color accuracy, but the 16 Pro still holds its ground if you're not pixel peeping. So, overall, yes, the iPhone 17 Pro has the edge, especially in detail and night photography. But the 16 Pro still puts up a solid fight. If you've already got the 16 Pro, you might not need to upgrade. But if you're serious about photography or video, the 17 Pro is definitely tempting. What do you guys think? Would you upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments.